Hey, what's going on guys, SheetGeek here, and today I'll be teaching you how to add a drop-down list to your spreadsheet. So in the end, we'll have something that looks like this, where we have our list of fruits here and we're able to select our fruits over here from our drop-down list. So let's get right into it. So first, without any drop-down list, this is what the original would look like. So to create the drop-down list, we first need to have our list. So we can go ahead and create our list right here. So I'm going to call it fruits, and I'm going to add all the things that I want to be put in the list. So after we've created our list, we can then create our drop down. So what you want to do is select the cell where you want to put the drop down in, go to data, and then go to data validation. So basically what data validation is setting a specific criteria for whatever you enter into a specific cell. So you can say that whatever is in the cell must be a text, or must be a date, or must be a number. In this case, we want it to be a list from a range. So we're going to click list from a range, and then we're going to select the little window here, which will allow us to select our data range. So we can move that out of the way. And then after that, we can select our list right here and then press OK. And then after that, we can press save. So now we can see that an arrow has been added here, and we can now select our fruits. But of course, the drop-down list is only applied to the first cell. We want it to apply to the rest of the cells. So what we can easily do is just select this cell and click and drag this down. And now each cell will contain the drop-down list where you can go ahead and select their favorite fruits. And then another cool thing about this drop-down list is that if you want to change the list of fruits that you have over here to something else, you can easily do that by changing this. So let's say if you wanted to change an apple to maybe cherry, then now if you look at the drop-down list, now we have cherry here and there's no longer any more apples. So that's basically how you add a drop-down list. If this video has helped you out in any way, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below, and comment anything you'd like to see me do, and peace.